Hey everyone, have you seen this beast of a watch from Temu? This thing's built tough as nails, can handle crazy hot and freezing temps, and lights up the dark with its built-in LED flashlight. If you haven't heard about it, it's the Eigiis KE3. Snagging it with new user deals on Temu is like hitting the jackpot. Apart from telling time, it laughs in the face of negative 103 degree Fahrenheit and 186 degree Fahrenheit temps, survives a 50-meter drop, and can take a 30-minute underwater trip without breaking a sweat. Inside the box, you're getting more than just a watch. There's a sleek metal strap, a tool to adjust it, options for rubber straps, a USB charger, and the manuals to rule them all. Its round 1.45-inch screen lets you personalize those buttons. Take calls right from your wrist and keep tabs on your heart rate, oxygen levels, and blood pressure. With over 100 sports modes and a bunch of watch faces, boredom isn't an option. And the cherry on top, its LED flashlight is nothing like you've seen on other smartwatches. Plus, swapping and adjusting straps is a breeze. No need for a trip to the jeweler. The price point and that dedicated flashlight are just chef's kiss.